Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Ahmad AURAEIN bin RUZAINI 119130005. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAKIMI bin HASAN 1191660.
My name is Aiman Naim bin KAMARUL ZAMAN. My metric number 1191647.
So today I'm gonna introduce to all of you about our project that we choose, that name or call Tesla or electric car. Okay, for introduction is electric car is a battery or an electric automobile. An electric car is a vehicle powered by one or more electric motors and driven by energy stored in the batteries. Electric automobiles are quieter, emit noise house, and have a fewer total pollutants than internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles. Electric cars, often known as electric cars, are electric vehicles (EVs) with a rechargeable battery pack aboard that can be charged from a grid, and the power stored in the vehicle is the only source of propulsion. So that's an introduction about our electric car. Thank you.
Alright, what value does technology have for business? The global electric vehicle market was valued at 162.34 billion in 2019 and is projected to reach 802.81 billion by 2027, registering a CAGR of 20.6%. Asia Pacific was the highest revenue contributor, accounting for the 84.84 billion in 2019 and is estimated to reach 357.81 billion by 2027 with a CAGR of 20.1%. North America is estimated to reach 194.20 billion by 2027 at significant CAGR of 27.5. What impact does technology have related technology or business? Electric vehicle penetration has been increased globally and is expected to continue its exponential growth over the coming decades. Several countries has already announced plan to achieve total of partial electrification of their vehicle fleet. Such rapid transportation electrification will have a significant impact of society and business that support the transportation industry. Additionally, new business opportunity will be available to support the technology evolution. Alright, what does technology impact to the social process and business? Alright, first, social. All types of business will also have social and technology impact, which will drive policy decision. Regional government play a critical role in ensuring the smooth execution of transition to transportation electrification. Through social programs such as training and education for equitable growth and legislative decisions such as technology standardization. Prioritize high use electric vehicle, electric taxis and public transportation will have great impact to reducing carbon emission. Thus type of the vehicle are driven far more than personal use vehicle, so commercial and public EV fleet development should be encouraged. Processes. Almost all of the electric vehicle commercially available in the market today use lithium-ion batteries. Although has a hard reverse of lithium-ion in the Ocean Sea in concentration in so small that isolating lithium for other seawater mineral salt in anatomical. Electric vehicle also require cobalt and several other rare metal, while the world have significant and no resources from iron. Cobalt scarcity present a greater concern for sustainability and long-term availability. This presents significant technological challenges and amplifies the need and focus on the cost-effective recycling of carbon. Additionally, an effort must be made to identify alternatives for using carbon in the batteries to ensure sustainability EV growth. For business, electric vehicles offer a great reduction in transportation cost for business, especially for flat vehicles with regular journey of up to 100 miles per day. Although electric vehicles are more expensive to buy, they have significantly lower running costs when compared to petrol diesel equivalent.
Okay, next, any issue to electric car? 1. Electric vehicle driving range. 2. Charging time. 3. Lack of charging infrastructure. 4. Highest upfront cost. 5. Limited vehicle choice. And the last, difficult finding a mechanic. How made Malaysia design something that will surprise the world on the electric car? Local industrial designer play a critical role in ensuring that a product is not only visually appealing but also functional and commercially viable. Their knowledge and abilities are also required to take a local brand to the global stage. Design components with current and innovative characteristics are now a major factor in the manufacturing of future cars, not to be outdone in the automotive business.
So after that, we go to our suggestions. So our suggestions about this electric car is very relevant for people to use this electric car, but not all of cars should use the battery. A car with a petrol also important to generate the powerful engine. What I think is how about the electric car is if the world have a crisis such as like a global warming, a tsunami and many more. If all of that happening, electric car will be hard to move because of the limited battery. And after that, our lastly section is introduction. So our introduction is electric car is one of the options that we can choose to reduce our global warming. For now, electric car is not widely used because the lack of resource and the disadvantage of using only electricity where it very much depend on the power supply. Hence, it is recommended to see the electric car being improvised more and more so that it can be replaced with a current fuel type car to save the earth by reducing the global warming. So that's all for us, and thank you for hearing us. Stay safe and stay healthy. Adios. Assalamualaikum.